Hello, welcome back to another video. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back. For those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Bristol Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Hyundai i35. It needs quite a lot of work. The owner's had it for the last 12-14 years, I can't remember what I said now, 12 years. And he just wants it back like new really, because he loves the car and he's passionate about it. So we're doing a 5-year wax is dead coating package on it. We're also doing a wheel refurbishment. We've painted the roof bars black. They were silver, but they were quite battered, you'll see in the video. We're also doing an internal clean on it, just to freshen it all up. Yeah, so the paint's in pretty bad condition. We've done some stone chip repairs on it as well. We've probably got about 75% correction on it. We usually aim for a bit more than that, but obviously with this being the way it was, you'll see in the video, that's what we've managed to achieve with the budget we're working with, because we're not doing any wet sanding or anything like that. Overall, the gloss levels are pretty good. We've also done a headlight restoration as well. There's quite a lot going on in this video, so it'd be good if you're learning or whatever and you want to know more information, just hit us up in the comments and I'll get back to you. We do training days and things like that as well, so we can teach you how to do it yourself. But yeah, enjoy the video.